Hey everyone, this is Mrs. C. This is instruction for lesson 6 problem set. Number 1 says draw and label a tape diagram to show how to simplify the problem. Write the new equation and then subtract. So this right here, tape diagram. And if you look at how they did it, this is just a way to make it easier to subtract a 3-digit number. And this is really good for mental math as well. 220 minus 190. It's a lot easier to subtract 190 if you round it up to 200. So rounding up means you're adding 10 to make it 200. So right here. Now if you add 10 to this number, you have to add 10 to this number. So whatever you add to one number, you have to add the exact same amount to this number. So now we have 10 added to 190 is 200, and 10 added to 220 is 230. Because if you're skip counting by tens, it goes 20, 30. So 230 minus 200. Whoops. I got my new laptop pen, but now I'm getting used to using it. Is 30. Let's do B together. 320 minus 190. Let's get rid of this. Now it would be a lot easier to subtract 200 from my 320. So I am going to add 10 to 190, and I know that 190 plus 10 is 200. And now I have to add 10 to my 320. So that is 330. So now we have 330 minus 200. Now if you're doing mental math, you just subtract 200 from 300. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And then in my mental math, I know that there's 30 tens here and there's 0 tens here. So 30 minus 0 is 30. So my answer is 130. And that is how you would do the rest of the problems. Wow. Oh, cool. Look at my ruler. That was a total accident. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Okay, page 2 of lesson 6 problem set. Draw and label a tape diagram to show how to simplify the problem. I have a problem with that word. Write a new equation and then subtract. Check your work using addition. So 451 minus 199. It is really hard, especially to do mental math, with this problem right here. So what they did was they added 1 to 199 to make it 200. That means they have to add 1 to 451, which they did. Okay? So now your problem is 452 minus 200. Well, I know that 4 minus 2 is 2. And I know that 52 minus 0 is 52. So here's my answer, 252. Now, the directions also say check your work using addition. When you are checking a subtraction problem, you are going to add this number plus this number, and you should get this number. So let's try that. 200 plus 252. Well, I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. And I know that 0 plus 52 equals 52. So look at my answer. Yep, I got it right. So that is how you would do the rest of these problems.